So you think that we're pretty spot a funny thing? And someone with the blue mouth. That was super funny. I think he's the best of the best. I think there were more than Supreme Proof from here. Everything so. Tío.
Yo sí que sabía vestir, no como tú.
Don't even think about saying racist words. You piece of crap.
Hey!
But he has a backpack and it comes from school. Now in the building 48, we go below to the next lift, which is an Osima. And I think this is the best lift ever in the world. You can get trapped if you come with us. This is your destination. What's it? IKEA with floor.
El nene está asombrado mirando lo que hace.
And I think I'm recording this lift for my YouTube channel. And today is the lift tour of samster5667. Here's you. Four.
Hasta luego.
Goodbye.
Quiero yo.
Good evening.